Hello. Solve the equation 2 cos square theta minus sine theta is equal to 2. We'll use the identity cosine square theta at sine square theta is equal to 1. And with that, we can substitute for cosine square theta here. So we'll have 2 brackets 1 minus sine square theta minus sine theta, and this is equal to 2. We clear the brackets, we have 2 minus 2 sine square theta minus sine theta is equal to 2. And if we factorize and simplify, we have sine theta into 2 sine theta add 1 is equal to 0. What I've done from this step to here, I've multiplied by minus 1, and then I've rearranged to take this 2 onto the left, which cancels with this 2 because this becomes minus 2, and this becomes positive 2 on this side because it was negative 2 from multiplying by negative 1. And now we have either sine theta is equal to 0 or 2 sine theta add 1 is equal to 0. So if we have that sine theta is equal to 0, we also have 2 sine theta add 1 is equal to 0, which implies that sine theta is equal to minus a half. Now sine inverse of minus a half is minus pi over 6. So if sine theta is equal to minus a half, then we have that theta is equal to minus pi over 6. But we also have another solution. If you look at our quadrant diagram, we're measuring that clockwise. We also have this angle here measured clockwise. This is minus 5 pi over 6, and this is pi over 6. So another solution here is minus 5 pi over 6. Now if sine theta is equal to 0, then we have a number of, in fact an infinite number of solutions. We could start at, let's say, minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, and so on. So we could go either way here. And a way to write this is to use a special value. I've covered special values in one of my previous videos on trigonometric functions. Have a look on my playlist. So we can write this as a solution as theta is any multiple of pi, n pi, and n is a natural number, or integer, in fact, not a natural number, because you can have negative and also positive values for n. So our complete solution set is theta is equal to minus pi over 6 minus 5 pi over 6, and we have n pi. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair. Bye for now.